Stuck in the podcasting weeds, wondering if Buzzsprout's pricing is a good fit for you? Let's break down Buzzsprout's pricing plans and see what each tier offers, so you can confidently pick the best plan for your podcast. Let's head to their website. Once there, we'll navigate to the pricing tab, usually found in the top navigation bar. Click on it, and bam, the pricing plans unfold. Buzzsprout cleverly offers a free plan for those starting out, perfect for testing the waters or for extremely light podcasting activity. That plan is good for shows under 2 hours a month of uploaded audio. The first paid plan is typically the 20 gigabytes plan, priced a few dollars monthly. This plan usually gives you a significant bump up in storage and monthly upload time. Check the fine print for limits on episodes and audio file size. Next up, usually, is the 50 gigabytes plan. This allows for more uploads and storage. This tier gives you extra time and storage. It might also come with access to more advanced features, like improved analytics or custom branding. Lastly, Buzzsprout offers even larger plans. The features tend to scale, like storage and monthly uploads. When comparing, pay close attention to the storage capacity, monthly upload time, and any bonus features like transcription or advanced analytics. Remember, choosing the right plan depends on your podcast's upload frequency and the length of your episodes. Compare this information for each plan and decide which best meets your needs.